What's going on in the Chicago housing market this month? Well, in a nutshell, inventory's down, sales are down, interest rates are up, interest in purchasing remains strong, rental rates are off the charts, and mortgage rates bumped up this week. But let's take a look and see what it means in your marketplace and what's going on in your area. First, let's look at single family homes. 73 homes closed in July, and you can see that's down significantly versus the previous year as well as versus pre-pandemic levels. 80 homes went under contract this month, and that means that there'll be even fewer closings in the future because closings occur 45 to 60 days after the homes are under contract. Homes for sale. We are at a record low in terms of homes for sale. 210 homes are on the market right now, and you can see the previous July's 605, 583, 529, 415, and 330. The month supply of homes, that's how many months it will take to sell out everything that's currently on the market, 2.8 months. That's what it was last year at this time, significantly down versus pre-pandemic levels. I broke this out by price to see what happens based on price. And you can see that the month supply of homes is significantly lower for those homes at or below the median sales price. 1.2 to 1.7, we still have only 2 months supply of homes for sale. Once you get over 1.7 and even into 2.5 million and above, the inventory is still higher than the lower price, but lower than it was pre-pandemic. Median sales price for a single family home in the lakefront communities, $1,275,000. That's $388 per square foot to purchase a home. There are 3.3 showings per listing in July of this year. That's down from previous months. So let's look at condos. 825 condos closed in July. That's down versus previous July's, 26.5% versus last July. 745 condos went under contract, and that's also down 8.5% versus previous year. And you can see it's still lower. 745 is lower than the 926, 895, and 1122 pre-pandemic numbers. Condos for sale, historic low of 1920. We have not had this few of condos for sale in recent memory. It's down 47.6% versus the previous year, and that's only 2.5 months worth of inventory. So now let's look at that based on price. If you're at the $400,000 or less, the median sales price for a condo in our marketplace, there's only 1.5 months worth of inventory. 400 to 750,000, 2.4 months worth of inventory, and 750 to 1.2, 4.6 months of inventory. It's only when you get over $1.25 million for a condo that you start to see over 10 months worth of inventory. Median sales price, as mentioned, $400,000. And the average number of showings per listing is 4.8. That's up 29.7% versus 1 year ago. Condo sales year to date, 5,920. That's down 33% versus previous year, which in turn was down 6.4% versus 2021. Ignore the title. This is number of units of home sales. 522 year to date. That's down 39.2% versus year to date through July of 2022. But that was down 17% versus Jan through July 2021. So we're just about at half the number of homes sold as of 2 years ago. Showing time index. This is how many people are out and about looking at properties, basically foot traffic, and it is a better leading indicator than sales that occurred in the past. And 201.6 in the Midwest region. This is through June. June is 196 for our area, and that's up versus the 2 previous years. Mortgages. Freddie Mac is reporting 6.9%. We bumped up our mortgage rates this month. And rentals, you can't see it very well on this chart, but 12.9% year over year for 2-bedroom price increases. And that is one of the top markets. A little bit below New York and Miami and Boston, but still there. To put it in, plainer numbers, a typical 1-bedroom in our marketplace is $2,200 per month. That's up 26% year over year. Now, these are July numbers. The previous page was June. This is July. $2,200 per month for a 1-bedroom, up 26%. $2,750 for a 2-bedroom, up 31% year over year. And 3-bedroom, the medium rent price, is $3,000, and that's up 21.2% versus previous year. And this graph shows you what 2 bedrooms have done in rents since August of 21. They've done nothing but increase. So what does this mean for you? Number one, if you're thinking of selling, there's a big market out there for your condo and your single family home. So if you're thinking of selling, let's talk. This might be a great time to do it. If you're buying, we have to be careful because there's not a lot of inventory. There isn't the huge multiple offer rush that we had before in some price points, but it's still very tricky. You definitely need to be ready to go once you find the home that you're looking for. So if you're renting, I highly urge you to consider buying. There's so many down payment programs and options. You don't have to have 20% in your back pocket in order to buy today. So let's get you in touch with a lender who can figure out the best plan for you. Interest rates can drop later and you can refinance. And if rates drop tomorrow, you're going to see another big frenzy of buyers out there, and you may not be able to get the home that you're looking for. So if you're thinking about getting into the real estate market, please reach out to me. I'm Anne Rossley with Baird Warner. Let's connect.